welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I do my everyday makeup. It is very easy, very quick, and I don't really wear much. Now that I'm older, I feel like less is more. So yeah. Okay, first, the key to a flawless makeup is a good base. I'm going to be prepping my skin real quick and then we will jump straight into it. And this is by Fresh Rose Deep Hydration. Did I just spill some in here? No. Okay. This is their Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner, and I have been loving this. And then this is the Snail Mucin by Jumiso. I hope I said that right. And I'm telling you, this is like so great for the skin, especially in this weather. You know, it's gonna keep your skin just like hydrated, super hydrated. Because I tend to have like flaky skin in this weather, and it's annoying. And this is the Vinoperfect by Caudalie, and this serum is literally the greatest. I love this stuff so much. I usually just like let it sit for a little bit and start putting my makeup on. This is a universal tinted moisturizer by DRMTLGY, and I'm telling you, this is like the best thing ever. It'll give you protection for sure, and it will give you like the most sheer coverage, so you're just gonna be looking very glowy from within, just like very radiant. Yeah, and it has SPF 46. It's so just glow. I think I'm just gonna put this primer on first. This is by Milk Makeup. I love this stuff so much. I'm gonna try this the first time. You know, I'm always like skeptical because I remember one time I wanted to try a product and then I bought like the full size. Unfortunately, I had to like return it because it just don't work for me. I started getting pimples and stuff. So what I like to do is get a travel size and then just try them. And if you do like it, you can go ahead and buy the full size, because you know, I learned from my mistake. Bought a full size, didn't work, a waste. I would usually just apply it on my T-zone area. Alright, I'm just gonna let this dry. I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit before I start applying the tinted moisturizer. Love it. This bronzer, this is a face and body balm. I'm telling you, I swear by this. I've been using this for a long time. The best, the literal best. So I'm gonna start with bronzer first. I have been loving like using cream bronzer because it's just, it looks so natural and just very just, you see the difference already? It looks like you just, like you went on a vacation even though you didn't. A little bit up to my hairline, of course. I was looking very dead earlier. Now I'm alive. Gorgeous. Next, I'll be taking this with my finger and just add them to my eyelid. Just like that. I love this stuff. Like, this is very just like universal. You could use it for anything. For contour, for bronzing, for your eyeshadow. I like applying it with my hand because the warmth of your finger is just gonna melt the product into your skin. So beautiful. Alright, so next, blush. For blush, I will be taking this lip cream. This is a lip cream by Colourpop, and this is in the shade Partner in Crime. This is their Legend of Korra series, and this has the most like gorgeous tint. What I would do is I would just like put a tiny little dot just like that, maybe a couple, and then blend. It's like that plum color on your cheeks. It's gonna give you that fall vibe, and then you can definitely build it up. And then next, concealer, and this is by Kosas. This is by far like my favorite concealer. I have been using this for a long time now. The first time I tried this, I fell in love. Like immediately. The coverage is so good, it's so creamy, but it's not like try to. It's just perfect. So I would just like do that. So I guess if you put your concealer after everything else, it's gonna give you that like lifted look. A little bit over there on the chin. Now blend. You see that cut though? Woo! Highlighter that I will be using today. Just a couple dots up there. On the brow bone. Now to set the face, I will be using this powder by Mercier. I'll be dabbing it a little bit. Just gonna curl my lashes because my lashes are non-existent. Okay, and I'll be using this favorite of mine. I've been buying this for a long time, literally. This is something that I purchased over and over and over again because they're just that good and they're super affordable. I'm just gonna be adding that same bronzer before I put the mascara on. Some days I would put on like eyeliners, but today I'm just feeling, yeah, we'll go natural. I also have a favorite. This is by Estee Lauder. This is their Turbo Lash Mascara, and this is in the shade Black. Gives you the most volume and length. It's literally so beautiful. I like that spider look. Okay, last but not least, lips. I'll be lining them with this NYX lip pencil. Look, I go through so much of this. I need to get a new one. It just gives you the most beautiful, especially if you have like similar skin tone as me. You need this. And then what I will do is add a concealer at the center of my lips. Dabbing it in with my finger. And then I will be going in with this NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Tiramisu. It's like the perfect pink shade. Love, love, love. If you're feeling extra cute today, freckles. And we are done. This is the finished look. Let's take the hair. It's just like so very natural looking for an everyday look. This is something that I would wear on daily when I go to the gym or get groceries or just do things at the house. I really do love this look. Alright you guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Let me know what you think about this look or if you recreate it. Well, this is like literally the easiest look. I will see you guys.